Hello everyone, welcome back, and in today's video I have to showcase you guys one amazing AI tool that I am been using lately, and that is basically changing the way you are writing the content, writing the long form articles, editing the content, writing the emails, chatting with the chatbot. This is much more advanced, in my opinion, than the regular ChatGPT. So hold on, sit tight, and let me present you with the HIX.AI, one amazing and very powerful AI tool. So what is HIX.AI? It is actually a lot. So first off, if I just go to the AI writer and I showcase you what it can actually do, you can see that it has more than 120 different how would I say, options and services it provides on the basically just one subscription. So for only paying once, you will be able to generate a lot of things for the social media, to create long form content, to write the blogs, talking points, bullet points, proofreading. Everything is in this one website platform. So this is amazing, guys. So first off, let me showcase you how it actually works. So if you go to the dashboard, or let's say AI writer, you'll be able to see what can you actually do in HIX.AI. So for example, let me showcase you the sentence expander. So you can write any sentence you want and it will expand. So let me give you an example. Today I played football with my friends, and target audience, you can set who would be your target audience. So let me see, let's say college students. Tone of the voice can be professional, childish, luxurious, friendly, exciting, confident, engaging. You know, you can basically choose in which tone of voice will it be played out. So let's say childish. And so we're going to expand in sentence in the childish tone of voice, and let's see how it goes. All you need to do is just click on the generate, and you will be able to see what will happen. So this sentence will be expanded into one much longer sentence in the childish voice. So you can see it right here. And whoosh, it was like a romp with unicorns in a giggly rainbow field. We ran like fluffy bunnies, kicking the round ass a balloon ball amid peals of flour, giddily shouting goal. So this is just one example on how long it can make the sentence, and of course you can use it for anything else you want. So you can do the same sentence in let's say professional voice. So if you just click on the generate right here, it will generate the same extended sentence, but this time in a professional tone of voice. So utilizing this leisure time to engage in physical activity and build teamwork, these experiences not only foster commemorate but also aid in the maintaining a balanced lifestyle amidst academic pressures. Of course, you can modify the sentence, but yeah, it will be much longer. So this one is pretty good. So let me go back and showcase you what else you can do with the HIX.AI. So for example, long form article. So you can generate long form article, or maybe an Amazon product roundup, or a single Amazon product review. So let's say first off, let's create a general article. Okay, we are going to describe our topic. So let's see, we want to create a topic of, let's say, history of football club Barcelona. And this is going to be our topic for today. And let's add a little bit what changed from let's say 2015 year till now. Primary keywords will be Barcelona, history. Okay. Secondary keywords, okay, yeah, I just need to separate them. 1 second. Barcelona, history. 1 second. And we're going to enter the secondary keyword. If you want, let's say, history, we're going to enter it down below. Tone of voice can be, let's say, confident. And yeah, let's see how it goes. We can also go to the chat GPT-4. So GPT-4 is much more advanced language model. So yeah, let's choose that one and let's generate our article. So we need to wait just a few seconds before it gets generated. And yeah, so first off, we can choose the title: Barcelona's evolution, 2005 to present, a riveting journey, the transformation of Barcelona Football Club since 2005, Barcelona FC, the remarkable changes from I think I'm gonna stick with the second one. Okay, let's generate the outline. Let's give it a few moments. And right now, we should be able to see the outlines for our story. So in just a couple of seconds, we have received the full outlines of our article. So overview of Barcelona Football Club transformation since 2005, leadership changes, recruitment strategy, tactical evolution, performance metrics, financial health and business model, fan culture, and future prospects. So these are very good outlines. And right now we are just going to go and generate the article. And check your word usage. If you generate this article using GPT-4, half of your input words will also be counted in your word usage. So your total usage would be 2000 words. That's okay. We are going to click OK. And let's wait a little bit. You can see they already started generating the article. So the full article is generated, and you can just copy it and paste it into your desired editor, or you can actually use what I like about this platform, the built-in HIX editor. So let's say we'll just copy the yeah, we'll just copy the part of it, and let's go to the HIX editor. Let's paste it, and right now this acts as any type of editor like Google Docs or Word. So we can do whatever we want. We can ask AI in the meantime, can we let's say summarize this one, and okay, stored history, deep ties with Catalonia, let's say replace. We can just replace it like that. There's no need to do anything else. This is pretty user-friendly, and in my opinion, very good stuff for the people who write the articles, as well as in general people who prepare the content for the Google SEO or in general internet. So this is how the HIX editor works. You can edit basically anything. You can add more text, you can rewrite it, summarize it. You can yeah, let's do a grammar check on all of that. Why not? Click it just right here. Congratulations, no critical issues have been found. So yeah, this is how it works. Of course, you can do the editing of like, let's say, setting it for a bold or any other text edits you want to make. So big shout out to HIX.AI. Of course, there's also an email writer. If you want to use it, you can write an email. Enter the receipt's name here, let's say Lucy, subject your appointment, and we can generate any type of email, or you can use the custom email builder. So yeah, this looks pretty cool. On the HIX chat tab, for example, this is something similar to the ChatGPT, but on HIX chat you have much better answers. So you can generate the content, you can extract the informations. What I like about it is that you can also for example, yeah, get the answers about the square root of 81. For example, you can see it's very fast. There's no lag. There's no waiting like on ChatGPT. It is pretty nice overall. However, let's actually briefly explain you how you can actually get the Google Chrome extension. So when you go to the Google Chrome extensions, just search for the HIX.AI. It looks like this. Then all you have to do is basically install it, and then you can chat with it or you can write. So for the chat, let's say, here's actually a good example how to promote my latest Fortnite gameplay video on YouTube. If we want to ask him that, you can see that they are replying with the best possible tips you can have. Promoting your latest Fortnite gameplay video. Let's wait it out for it to actually finish up so I can show you. But you can even see that it basically breaks down by the several possible ways you can promote it. So optimize video title and description, of course, for the SEO, add video tags, customize thumbnail, share on social media, engage in the Fortnite community, collaborate with other YouTubers, utilize SEO techniques, utilize YouTube ads, cross-promote in other videos. So these are some of the stuff. So we can also ask him, okay, can you summarize it in much shorter way? And here's the actual shorter article from the above one, which basically just uses the bullet points, which is amazing. Also, you can write with it, so you can let's say you can search for the AI tool, let's say email subject line, and we can actually see the email body text would be hello there, thank you for your order, your item will be shipped in 3 days, thanks again, let's say Samsung maybe. And then a target audience could be, let's say, shoppers. And when we generate it, you can see, get ready to receive your order in 3 days. That's the email subject line. So very good stuff. Very good AI chatbot, HIX.AI. So with that said, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I have showcased you, I mean, just a part of what HIX.AI can do. For all the other explanations, please make sure to check out the link in the description and make sure to sign up for the HIX.AI. With that said, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day and goodbye.